In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use inventory reports in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and look over to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores all of its built-in reporting tools, including the ones related to inventory. If you're new to this area, don't worry. The layout is designed to help you find reports quickly, and once you know where to look, the process becomes very simple. After you open the Reports section, go to the search bar at the top of the Reports list. This search feature is one of the fastest ways to find exactly what you need, especially if you don't want to scroll through a long list of report categories. Click into the search bar and type in the word Inventory. As you type, QuickBooks will begin showing matching report options related to inventory. At this point, you can review the list and select the type of inventory report you want to open. Depending on what you need, this could help you check stock levels, review inventory activity, or get a clearer picture of how inventory is affecting your business. The key here is to choose the report that best matches the information you're looking for. Once you select the report, QuickBooks will begin to run it automatically. Give it a moment to load, especially if your company file has a lot of data. After it finishes loading, the report will appear on your screen and be ready to review. This is where you can start looking through the details and using the report to better understand your inventory information. If you want to adjust how the report looks or what data it shows, use the toolbar above the report. This is where you can customize the report to fit your needs. For example, you may be able to change the date range, filter the results, or adjust how the information is displayed. Customizing the report can make it much easier to focus on the exact details that matter most for your review. Take a moment to explore those options so you can make the report more useful for your workflow. Even small adjustments can help you read the information more clearly and get better insights from the data, and that's all there is to it. That's how to use inventory reports in QuickBooks Online.